Hi, let's see how to insert the emojis in the Google Sheets. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Google Sheets. Okay, and now here suppose if you want to add emojis, that means like whether you want to add happy or sad or any kind of emojis. For that, what you can do is like you can go to this insert option, click on that drop down option, and here you can see emoji. Okay, so here you can see the list of all the emojis which are available in Google Sheet, and here you can select any one of the emoji. For example, if I choose this smile emoji, I will select it and I will just press enter. Okay, and suppose if you want to add any other emoji, for example, I will select this cycling emoji. You can select it and you can just press enter. Okay, so this is how you can insert the emojis in Google Sheet. Okay.